You will never make pork chops any other way after you try my French onion pork chops recipe. Start by seasoning the pork chops with salt and pepper on each side. In a skillet, heat olive oil and butter. Add in sliced white onions. Season with salt and pepper. Cook your onions for about 10 minutes or until they're a deep golden brown and sticky. Remove the onions from the pan. Sear your pork chops on all sides until they're golden brown. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Add in the remaining olive oil. Add the sauteed onions back to the pan. Sprinkle with flour. Toss until the flour is no longer visible. Pour in the beef stock and Worcestershire sauce. Add the pork chops back to the pan and top with shredded cheese. Broil on high until the cheese is melted. You can find more easy pork chop recipes on our website.